Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into the time and cost tracker for Jira. If you've ever felt like your project's budget is a complete mystery, you are in the right place. We're about to show you how to fix that for good.
So, let's start with a question I think a lot of us can relate to. Is your project budget a total black box? You see all the tasks moving around in Jira, things are getting done, but what does all that progress actually cost? Where's the money really going?
Well, this is where we flip the script. Imagine managing your project's money with the exact same clarity and confidence that you manage its tasks. We're going to show you how to turn Jira from just a task manager into a powerful financial command center.
So how does it all work? Well, it's actually not complicated. The whole thing is built on one simple, really transparent formula that just takes all the guesswork out of cost tracking.
And here it is. This is the core logic behind the entire app. Your total project cost is simply the time your team logs, multiplied by their salary rates, plus any direct expenses you have. That's it. It's a straightforward formula that brings instant clarity to where every dollar is going. And the best part is, our app makes managing each piece of this formula incredibly simple, right inside of Jira. So let's break it down and see how it handles that first component, your time and labor costs.
Okay, this is the backbone of your project costs, right? The hours your team is putting in. Tracking this accurately is absolutely crucial, and this app builds that process directly into your team's daily workflow, making it painless.
As you can see, the process is incredibly straightforward. Your team never even has to leave the Jira issue they're working on. They just open the panel, add the work log, fill in the time, and click Save. It's that seamless.
But it's so much more than just simple logging. You get full visibility with individual and team timesheets, and it supports both native Jira and Tempo worklogs. The key here is flexibility. You can set custom hourly rates for everyone, even with effective dates, which makes sure every calculation is perfectly accurate as things change.
Now for the second part of our formula. A project's true cost isn't just salaries. You've got software licenses, marketing spend, maybe some travel. This app ensures that none of those direct expenses ever fall through the cracks.
And the system is built to be flexible. You can log a simple one-time expense, like a new piece of equipment, or you can set up recurring expenses for things like a monthly software subscription, and those will get added automatically. No more forgetting. And here's where it gets really powerful. You can link these expenses directly to a Jira issue. So imagine you're running a big marketing campaign. You can attach every single related cost, ad spend, design fees, you name it, directly to that one epic. And just like that, you see the true total cost of that whole initiative.
All right, so you've tracked all your time and your expenses. So what? What's the payoff? Well, this is where all that data gets transformed into powerful, actionable insights through some amazing reporting and forecasting.
Generating a full-blown cost report could not be easier. You just select your scope, maybe a whole project, a specific epic, or even just one user. Set your date range, pop in your planned budget for comparison, and click Generate. It's literally that fast.
And the very first thing you get is this beautiful, intuitive overview. At a single glance, it answers your biggest questions. Where did the money go? How much was spent on labor versus other expenses? And the big one, how much budget do we have left?
And we know that different audiences need different views, so you have flexible export options. If you need to analyze every single time entry for an audit, you can use the worklog breakdown. But if you just need a high-level summary for a stakeholder update, the Issue Totals report gives you a clean, rolled-up view of costs per issue.
But this isn't just about looking in the rearview mirror. It's about planning ahead. The forecasting feature uses your team's existing estimates, whether they're in hours or story points, to project future costs. This is how you stop reacting to budget problems and start getting ahead of them. Now, for those who need some more advanced financial analysis, the app also supports Earned Value Management, or EVM. To put it simply, this lets you answer two critical questions with just a couple of numbers. Are we on budget and are we on schedule? It is a super powerful way to gauge the overall health of your project instantly.
So when you put all of these pieces together, the simple formula, the seamless tracking, and the powerful reporting, what you get is the ability to take full financial control. And you do it right from your Jira dashboard.
And this control is baked right into your daily workflow. You get cost widgets on every single issue, you can group projects into high-level portfolios, and you've got secure permission controls. And for even deeper analysis, you can use the API to pull all this financial data into tools you already love, like Power BI. Ultimately, it all comes down to this. Our whole goal is to give you complete visibility into your project costs, to replace the guesswork with confidence and empower you to make truly data-driven decisions.
So, the final question is really for you. Are you ready to stop guessing and finally start knowing what your projects truly cost?
If the answer to that is yes, then the next step is simple. Just head over to the Atlassian Marketplace and you can start a free trial today. Go experience this level of financial clarity for yourself.